Hello, I am Chris Pickard, Director of Body Imbalance in Hertfordshire, and welcome to part 2 of the series on superfoods. Today we're talking about chlorella. Now just to remind you, last time we spoke about turmeric. If you missed that, then if you look below in the description of the video, you'll see the link to the turmeric video. And as I do the rest of the series, you'll see links below to the rest of the videos. Today though, chlorella. Chlorella is an algae. It's green. It's found in fresh, well, it's not found in all fresh water. It grows in fresh water. And I'm thinking that it comes from Japan because that's where it was first really cultivated en masse. And chlorella, unlike turmeric, which is a spice, chlorella really is perhaps more of a superfood in the fact that it's more complete. It's about 50% protein, so therefore a lot of vegetarians often use chlorella to get some extra protein into their diet. But I don't recommend taking more than about 10 grams of chlorella in a day. Now, as well as the actual protein, there's lots of other vitamins, minerals, essential fats. There's a lot of substances in chlorella, including some that are probably specific to itself. And some of the things that has been shown to be good for: decreasing inflammation, increasing the immune response, preventing allergies, preventing tumor growth, lowering the stress response, improving the detoxification of heavy metals. Again, just like turmeric, it seems to help the liver. And increasing GABA. Now, what's GABA? GABA is short for gamma aminobutyric acid. GABA is a chemical, it's a neurotransmitter. It's made in the gut as well as the brain, and it's one of your feel-good chemicals. It makes you just feel relaxed and calm. And chlorella has GABA in it. So now this all sounds good, and I said it's superfood, but what are the side effects? Well, it seems to be in particular people with kidney problems may have side effects. So side effects such as nausea, headaches. People can even start developing allergic reactions to chlorella or some of its constituents. Now, it may be the way it's made, because it's an algae, it might be some of the water or other things in there, or some of the allergic reactions may actually be due to the fact that the chlorella is actually trying to remove some heavy metals from your body, but then they get reabsorbed in the gut. That's my suspicion. My suspicion is that chlorella doesn't really cause allergic reactions, but if you do have a kidney problem, it may be worthwhile not taking high doses. Small sprinklings should be fine. Large doses that a lot of people are using in can be a problem if you've got kidney disease, and it may also be a problem if you have a thyroid problem as well. So thank you for watching. If you found today's video useful, then please subscribe to make sure you get the next video, because the next superfood we're going to talk about is it's going to be about goji berries, also known as the wolfberry. Thank you very much for watching, and be well.